Hi, kindergartners. Today we're going to learn how to write lowercase letter h and the sight word with. So go ahead and grab this from your packet and we'll get started. We'll do it together. And yeah. So we're going to write our name on the top always. This line right here, that's our grass line. So all of our letters should be touching, no floating letters. So go ahead and write your name. And a reminder that if at any point the video is moving too quickly, you can always pause it and catch up and then press play again. So H is a skyline letter. If I were to cover up the part that goes to the skyline, it would look a lot like an N. So it's very similar in how we write it. We just start at the skyline. So I'm going to start here at the skyline. I'm going to pull down to the grass line and then push up, over, down. Notice that that bump right there is filling that whole space and touching that plane line. Let's do it again. Ready? Point to the skyline with your pencil. Pull down to the grass line. Push up, over, down. Good. Point to the skyline. Pull down to the grass line. Push up, over, down. Point to the skyline, pull down to the grass line, push up, over, down. Awesome job, kindergartners. Let's do this middle column together. Where are we starting? At that skyline. Point to the skyline, pull down to the grass line, push up, over, down. Check the H you just made. Does it bump that plane line? If it doesn't, that's okay. Don't erase it and fix it. Just move on to the next one and really focus on that. Point to the plane line. Point to the skyline. Pull down to the grass line. Push up, over, down. Point to the skyline. Pull down to the grass line. Push up, over, down. When I push up, I'm going back up that same exact line that I just made coming down. Point to the skyline, pull down to the grass line, push up, over, down. Last column, here we go. Hand that isn't writing, remember it's holding your paper flat. Point to the skyline, pull down to the grass line, push up, over, down. Point to the skyline, pull down to the grass line, push up, over, down. Two more. Point to the skyline, pull down to the grass line, push up, over, down. Last one, make it your best one yet. Point to the skyline, pull down to the grass line, push up, over, down. Circle your best H, and then you're going to turn your paper over so we can write our new sight word, the word with. With happens to have a lowercase h in it. The only letter here we have not learned yet is W. We have written W before in other words, but we have not learned the letter W and the sound it makes yet. So let's talk about W. W is really important that you follow the steps, because if you don't, you end up doing it upside down, which turns it into an M. And it's not the word myth, it's the word with. So I always start at the plane line, and then I move my pencil, but I don't stop. I keep going till the letter is done. Ready? So we're going to point to that plane line, and we're going to do one motion. Ready? Plane line, pull down, push up, pull down, push up. Then I can pick up my pencil. I, T, H, with. Let's do the next one. Ready? We're going to start that plane line. All right, here we go. Pull down, push up, pull down, push up. W, I, T, H, with. Next one, spell it with me. Ready? W, pull down, push up, pull down, push up. I, T, All right, last one in the tracing column. Ready? W, put down, push up, pull down, push up. I, T, H. Great job. Great job tracing. Let's go into our middle column. We're going to just write it on our own. Make sure you're starting on that plain line. And we're going to pull down, push up, pull down, push up. And there's our W, I, T, H. With. 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 Let's do our last column together. Start that plain line. Spell it out loud. Ready? W, I, T, H. With. W, I, T, H. With. Two more. W, I, T, H. With. Last one. W, I, T, H. With. Go ahead and circle your best with, and you are all done. Excellent job, kindergartners.